Hello there. It's been a fairly stormy period, hasn't it, in the last couple of weeks of December, and it's looking unsettled and stormy towards the start of the new year as well, so not great news there. Weather problems of difference though tonight. Just for a change, it's going to be quiet, which means it'll be frosty to start tomorrow and quite icy, but it sets us up for a lovely day. Fewer showers, lighter winds and plenty of sunshine. Here it is. That's the window of fine weather for tomorrow, but it doesn't last. Behind me already, the next weather system will be powering its way in off the Atlantic, ready to make landfall in Northern Ireland through the afternoon. As for the rest of this evening, we're not without showers. We've got quite a band moving their way across Scotland. It's starting to fragment now. The showers in the southeast will clear in the next few hours, and then it will be drier overnight, and hence the quieter spell of weather, a little bit of mist and fog, and of widespread ground frost, which means that clearly after all the showers and the rain, it'll turn fairly icy. So it could be quite treacherous if you're out first thing tomorrow morning. It certainly was this morning for some of us, and a more widespread problem. Otherwise, if the mist and fog lifts, the frost lifts as well, it should be a fairly decent day for getting out and about. There'll still be some showers meandering their way northeastwards across Scotland, still hill snow, but fewer than today. Still one or two showers for England and Wales and Northern, but again, fewer than today. It's into the afternoon, though, that we notice the change. The cloud starts to increase for the Western Isles. It does across Northern Ireland, bringing some rain through the second half of the afternoon. Just worth bearing in mind that the steady thaw continues for Scotland, and that's been exacerbating the flood situation here. A few showers still dotted around across Wales and more cloud come the afternoon, but essentially it's a decent weather picture for many of us. Temperatures just about where they should be for this time of year. Lightish winds, very pleasant, but we will start to see that high cloud coming in across the west later on, and the winds strengthening. So already an early warning out for the winds from the Met Office on this area of low pressure here. Generally gusts of 60 to 70 miles an hour. Those in themselves could cause some damage, but it's just possible that we'll see some really squally conditions in the far south and west, possibly 80 miles an hour here. So there's the potential there for disruption due to the winds and, of course, the rain. More of it, another 40 to 50 millimetres over the hills of Scotland, Wales and southwest England, and generally for all of us a good 10 to 20 millimetres, which is not going to help where we've got saturated ground and already flooding situations. Temperatures fairly academic, I should imagine, but the thaw continues for Scotland. Then as we move through into Tuesday, so Monday night into Tuesday, New Year's Eve, yet another spell of wetter weather heads its way in off the Atlantic. Not great news, I think you'll agree.